Hey guys, welcome back to BONOSS Wheel Spacer unofficial channel. I'm Lulu. 25mm wheel spacer safe for Range Rover. Wheel spacers are just automobile accessories installed between the assembly hub and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are safe. BONOSS is always concerned about the safety. We use forged aluminum alloy 6061T6 material. Modern CNC machining by 0.02mm tolerance. The multi-stage hub-centric design fits a wheel hub better. Hub-centric wheel spacers offer a better system of support and stability. They're designed to make a snug connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub, reducing the high-speed vibration and ensuring safer driving. Compared with others, the multi-stage hub-centric design make the installation more fitting and safer. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.